dairy group are foods that are made with milk, such as cheese and yogurt. Dairy foods are important for healthy bones and teeth. Just like good source of protein. But they also contain a mineral called calcium, which is very important for our bones and teeth. Almost all of the calcium in our bodies is stored in our bones and helps to make them strong. Cheese in your sandwich, or a glass of milk to drink.
Dairy products. Butter, milk, cheese, powdered milk, sweetened condensed milk, ice cream, cream, yogurt,
you know what I mean? Whole milk, let's go.
Milky milk, milky milk, milky milky milk.
Woo!
Milky milk, milky milk, milky milky milk.
Milk.
Milky milk, milky 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 milk.
Aye.
Milky
Aye.
milk, milky 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 milk.
Let's go. Milky, milky, milky milk. I know you know the drill. Cold glass, slightly chilled. Want that only fill. He needs some milk.